found 3 beginner-friendly apps for you that anyone can use to start earning today. These apps are completely free and no matter where you are from, you can start earning today by using these apps. So let's start with app number 3. With this app which I am about to show you, you can earn a decent amount of passive income. All you need is just a mobile phone and internet connection. Go to the official website or download the app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Enter your email and create a strong password. Verify your email and boom, your account is ready. Use my referral code to get $3 bonus instantly. This is the interface of the app. If you go to the withdrawal section, this is my current balance. You also earn through referrals. You can earn $3 for every referral. This app provides multiple ways to withdraw your earnings. You can withdraw your earnings through PayPal and cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and dozens of more payment options. This app pays you for using your unused internet bandwidth. All you have to do is open the app and keep it running in the background. The more you stay online, the more money you will earn. You can also earn through completing simple tasks and inviting friends. If you love playing games, this app is the right opportunity for you to make money while having fun. This app pays you for downloading apps, playing games and completing simple surveys. The earning potential varies from game to game and app to app. The more you play games, the more money you will earn, and the best part, this app pays in dollars, not in crypto, which is a straightforward process to withdraw your earnings. So don't waste your time on free games and start earning some extra cash with this gaming app.